Hello YouTube, today we're looking at the SoundCore 2 from Anker, one of the most popular Bluetooth speakers available on the market. Featuring Bluetooth 5, an IPX7 waterproof rating, 24-hour playtime, and a full rich sound, it's easy to see why this speaker is as popular as it is. Aesthetically, this thing looks great, with a rubberised matte black design in a simple and compact form factor. Coming in at 165mm long, by 54 tall by 45 wide, making room for this in your rucksack shouldn't be too difficult. However, it's not going to rival the likes of the XMini. On top, we have 5 simple buttons for power, Bluetooth connection, volume up and down, and a play button that can be used to play and pause the connected device. Behind the protective cover on one end, we have a micro USB port for charging and a 3.5mm jack for plugging in those devices which don't feature Bluetooth. Weighing around 400 grams, the speaker is light enough to comfortably carry around in one hand, or if you prefer, the separately sold carry case provides great protection to the device, and a carabiner for connecting it to your belt or rucksack is useful. My one criticism of the SoundCore 2 over its competitors is that there's no way to attach or mount the device itself, it can only sit flat. Turning the device on and getting it connected couldn't be simpler, with the device making audible notifications of its status. Synchronized volume control on both the speaker and connected device is a great feature, with another notification being made when it reaches maximum volume. Additionally, thanks to Bluetooth 5, it is possible to connect to 2 SoundCore 2 speakers from a single device, allowing for increased volume and a stereo experience, although I haven't been able to test this. The most impressive feature though is the sound produced by this relatively small device. Rich and full, the device can reach impressive volumes with surprisingly good low end throughout. There's very little distortion at maximum volume, and the reproduction is crisp and clear for both voice and music. The speaker will easily fill any kitchen, living room, bedroom, garden, or even the bathroom. The build quality is robust, and the IPX7 rating means it can withstand being submerged in water for 30 minutes at 1 meter. I wouldn't be afraid of taking this to the beach, poolside, or on a hike, especially with its 24-hour battery life. In conclusion, I'd thoroughly recommend the Anker SoundCore 2 to anyone who's looking for great price to performance ratio from a Bluetooth speaker. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.